Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I Rupal Mehta welcome you all in my new session. Today, we will learn about new alphabet. But before that, we will revise all the alphabet which we have already learned. This is alphabet A. A for apple and A for ant. This is alphabet B. B for ball and B for bat. This is alphabet C. C for cake and C for cat. This is alphabet D. D for dolphin and D for dog. This is alphabet E. E for egg and E for elephant. This is alphabet F. F for fish and F for frog. This is alphabet G. G for girl and G for goggles. This is alphabet H. H for hut and H for hat. This is alphabet I. I for igloo and I for ice cream. This is alphabet J. J for juice and J for jug. This is alphabet K. K for kite and K for kangaroo. This is alphabet L. L for lamp and L for lollipop. This is alphabet M. M for monkey and M for mango. This is alphabet N. N for nest and N for nose. This is alphabet O. O for orange and O for owl. This is alphabet P. P for parrot and P for peacock. This is alphabet Q. Q for queen and Q for quilt. This is alphabet R. R for rose and R for rabbit. This is alphabet S. S for sunflower and S for sun. This is alphabet T. T for tiger and T for tomato. This is alphabet U. U for umbrella and U for unicorn. This is alphabet V. V for volleyball and V for van. After this revision, let's learn a new alphabet W. This is alphabet W. Capital W, small w. Mama W, baby W. The sound of W is W. W. Let's see some pictures related to it. W for wall. W for wool. W for wheel. W for walnut. W for wallet. वॉलेट मतलब आपके पापा जिसमें पैसे रखते हैं उसे वॉलेट कहते हैं. W for whistle. W for watermelon. W for watch. W for water. W for whale. whale एक फिश होती है. W for wood. W for well. W for wolf. W for window. विंडो मतलब खिड़की. आपके घर में भी विंडो है ना? W for woman. W for वॉशिंग मशीन. वॉशिंग मशीन में हम क्या करते हैं? वॉशिंग मशीन में हम कपड़े धोते हैं. एंड W for वॉलरस. वॉलरस एक सी एनिमल होता है जो पानी के अंदर भी रह सकता है और ज़मीन पे भी रह सकता है. Now it's time for worksheet. Hey friends, I am a juicy fruit and my name starts with alphabet W. Do you know who am I? Yes, I am a watermelon. W says wa and W for watermelon. In this picture, you have to join the dots with crayon and color in this watermelon. You will find this worksheet in your English workbook, page number 34. So, Bacha Party, today we have learned about alphabet W. We will meet in our next session. Stay healthy and have a great day. Bye bye.